making rava potato fry. Yummy, right?
Yeah. And what are we cooking over here?
Over here. Oh, look at that.
My favorite.
It is chole.
Chole.
Nice and yummy. Look at that.
Chole. I've had that before.
Mm-hmm.
I've had that.
How did it smell when you came inside from the park?
It smelled so good.
Let's make Punjabi style chole masala. I start off by soaking my beans in 3 cups of water in 1 tea bag. Then I pressure cook them for 45 minutes in the Instapot. 3 whole chilies, a bay leaf, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves, and 8 peppercorns, along with a teaspoon of cumin and a half a teaspoon of fennel. Then I chopped a whole onion and 2 tomatoes. Now I will grind the spices to a powder. Once that's being done, I will add a little oil to the pan, and in the meantime, I will smash some ginger and some garlic, about a tablespoon. Then in the pan, I put a piece of bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, a green cardamom, and a clove. And then I added in the garlic and the ginger, a green chili, and onion. Cook that till it's nice and golden. Once that's golden, then you'll add in your tomatoes. Again, you'll want to mix that around. And then you'll add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt. Mix again. Pop on the lid so everything gets nice and mushy. In the meantime, our powder is finished. Should look like this. And now, this is what we want it to look like. Give everything a nice mix. And then we will add in our powder that we grinded. Mix everything well. And then we'll add in a teaspoon of garam masala and about 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. You want to drain your beans, keep that water. I added in a cup of water, mix everything. And then I add in 2 tablespoons of the bean water. Now that has the tea in it, so you do not want to add the whole thing, just 2 tablespoons. Add in your beans, give it a nice mix. And then I added in a little 1/2 cup of water just because I wanted mine to have a more runny consistency so we could eat it with rice. Add salt, pop on the lid, and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Now I wanted mine to have a little bit more runny consistency because we're eating with rice. You can let it cook a little bit longer, but I'm adding my methi leaves right now, and this is how I'm going to serve mine. Again, if you want to serve it with bread, let it cook a little bit longer to let it get a bit thicker.
Lunch is ready. Come and eat.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
This one is yours.
So let's see what we got here.
This one is Fuddy Duddy's.
First, we're gonna try the potatoes because I love potatoes.
We
What
know.
that?
Okay.
Frizzle,
Okay.
no popper.
Okay. Okay. Now rice.
No rice.
Okay, try.
I'm eating it again. Mmm! That's so good.
You're enjoying?
Yes, I am enjoying.
Don't forget your salad too, okay? Love you. Is it tasty, my baby? Show me, is it tasty? Bite. Oh, that's the face. All right, guys, let's try. My turn. Really good. Best, guys. All right, guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye, guys.